Welcome to another episode of Fun Finance. In today's video, I will talk about how you can trade in all the strike price in Nifty and Bank Nifty in Zerodha. So before going to the topic, I like to share one poll I have taken on my channel. More than 1700 people have responded for overall experience with Zerodha. If you can see, 16% people have given 0 and like 6% have given 1, and the rest of all have given 2, 3 and 4. So that is approx 78%. So if you check this is a very good percent. So lot of clients are happy, and the way I see it, like Zerodha user interface is very easy to use, and that might be the reason like more than 78% people, like more than 75, that is the majority, have given them 2 or above. So you can also comment what is your reason why you like or dislike Zerodha. So now let's come to our topic, where I will share how you can trade in all the strike price in Zerodha, in Bank Nifty and Nifty, what are its advantages, disadvantages, and in the end I will give you some options that you will be having. That options you can select according to your need. So I have linked this article in the description. I will read out this article, I will share this detail, and someone from like whom I know have done this process, so I will share their experience also, how much time this process took and everything I will be sharing. So stay till the end. So I will just read out this article and explain the details. How can I trade all Nifty and Bank Nifty options on Zerodha? The allowed trading range is restricted to keep the OI utilization within the sanction limits. So there is a restriction from the exchange where a single broker can have a maximum 15% in the open interest. So because of that we face problem, and we are not able to trade in lot of options like far away options in Zerodha. However, we are working with a custodian, Orbis Finance, to enable trade in all Nifty and Bank Nifty option contract for our client. So what will happen, you will have to raise a request where you will change your custodian. Now your custodian is Zerodha and your account is also with Zerodha. So now you will change your custodian so you can take the benefit. You will need to open a custodian account with Orbis, but you will be able to continue to trade with us using Kite. I think the main benefit people love Zerodha is because of their simple UI and the Kite application that is very simple to use, and like that is the main benefit. So your custodian though will be changed, you will be able to trade through the Kite application, which is Zerodha application. In this setup, your funds and trades will be settled through the custodian as opposed to directly settling by us. So now instead of Zerodha settling, it will be set by Orbis. As more Zerodha client move to Orbis, the overall OI utilization for us will also reduce. Like more and more client will move to Orbis custodian, so the ratio will also balance, and the situation will also improve in Zerodha. This will be the major disadvantage. You must listen to this. Although you will be able to use Kite, there are some restrictions. So you need to understand this restriction. You will be only able to trade in FNO. So you can only trade in future and option. The equity segment will be blocked for you. So this is the major disadvantages. Second disadvantage, you will not be able to pledge holding as collateral while trading. So as you guys know, we can pledge our stock and lot of things, and then we can utilize that margin. You will not able to do that. Like if you are directly using cash margin and doing it, then this option like using this option is, there is no problem for you, because like anyways you are trading with the cash margin only, like you are giving cash and then you are playing in the options. But like what I like to do is, I have a portfolio which I pledge and I utilize the margin from that. And the third restriction is IMPS, NEFT, RTGS will not be allowed. You can continue to add fund using UPI and net banking. So this is not a major restriction. You can like add fund through UPI and net banking, that is very much easy. And the ledger report for Orbis can be requested by raising a ticket. So you need to raise a ticket. Please raise a ticket below to request migration of your account to Orbis, and our team will reach out to help. So for that, if you raise the ticket, the overall process may take from 4 weeks to 6 weeks. I am not saying 4 days to 6 days, it is 4 weeks to 6 weeks. I have personally not done it, but someone who I know personally have done it, and for them it took approx 4 week time. And like you need to sell all of your stock which are now in Zerodha. All the like money you will be getting, that also you need to withdraw, and then once your account is transferred, they will tell you okay, you are now your account custodian is transferred over there. Then you can add the fresh funds. And as I was informed by that person, there were no charges, but see, these are the restriction you will be having. So based on that, you will not be able to trade in equity in Zerodha. So these are the restriction. Based upon that, you can take your decision. So now I will share few suggestion with you guys. So first suggestion, see, if you love Zerodha and you want to trade in Zerodha and you only trade in cash margin, and like what you can do, you can open another account in Zerodha in some of your family members name. One account you can trade in equity, in one account you can trade in FO. That is one option. If you want to stick to Zerodha, you want to be with Zerodha, that is the first option. Second option is you can like shift to another broker. Like I have done tie up with Trade Genie. They are providing like you can place this stuff. They allow you to trade like for far away margin, and they have another benefit where when you place some stock and you can utilize up to 90%. Like a lot of brokers, they keep 50% of collateral and 50% of cash. So Trade Genie allows up to 90% of like collateral for option selling. So that is very good thing. And for safety, you can keep it to up to 80, and 20% you can fund by cash. So Trade Genie is also option. I have made a tie up with them, and they will be not charging you any fees for opening the account. Normally they charge some fees for account opening and demat opening charges, that is 704 rupees. That is waive off to you. That will be a very good thing. Or else if you want to trade in Zerodha, I have also share one link where you can open another account in Zerodha. You can keep your equity portfolio in one account, and you can open another account in some of your family members name, where you trade future and option, but you will have to like spend like put entire money by cash. So these are the overall advantages and disadvantages. So if you will be opening a new account, you will directly opening a new account, and then you will request the change of custodian. So do let me know if you have any question on this topic. Also comment what you like or dislike about Zerodha in the comment section. See you in the next video. Thank you. Jai Hind.